Do you always bumping into the number 23? Many individuals in many different cultures have reported seeing this number for ages. However, I don't understand. This question has no universally correct response. A few individuals take the appearance of the number 23 as a message from heaven, while others dismiss it out of hand. Regardless of your beliefs, there is no denying the emotional significance of this number to many. Take a look at this article. Interpretation of the number 23 according to numerology. It is said that Uranus represents the number 23 in numerology. The planet is notoriously unpredictable and quirky. It's a symbol of transformation, development, and originality. If you believe in numerology, the number 23 represents a time of change, revolution, and fresh beginnings. These sequences of digits carry a lot of good vibes and represent expanding one's consciousness. The number 23 appears often in sacred writings. The Book of Revelations has 23 chapters of the Holy Bible. There is a common perception that this book contains or foretells of the end of the world. The number 23 is mentioned in the Bible, the Quran, and the Torah, among others. The meaning of the number May 23 be interpreted in a variety of ways. In the eyes of some, it's a harbinger of ill fate. In the eyes of others, it's a sign of good fortune. When asked if they consider 23 a lucky or unlucky number, some will say it's a fortunate number, while others would say it's a bad one. Regardless of your beliefs, there is no denying the emotional significance of this number to many. The biblical concept of the Holy Trinity gives the number 3 special spiritual importance. The Ascended Masters are urging you to have an optimistic outlook by sending you this potent number. Something greater than yourself is aiding you in your endeavors. Enjoy the collaborative effort and the unfathomable ways in which you are being helped. Interpreting the number 23. One may find several interpretations on the significance of the number 23. A few others chalk it up to a heavenly message, while others see angelic involvement. Regardless of your beliefs, there is no denying the emotional significance of this number to many.